Hello, my name is Eliza. I'm 26 years old. I never thought I would fall in love with someone I could never have. It started when I got a new job at a book company in the city. On my first day, I was nervous, but the people were kind, especially one man, Mr. Adrian Moore. He was the senior editor. He was smart, gentle, and always calm. I liked him from the first day. At first, I didn't know he was married. We worked on many projects together. We had coffee breaks, talked about books and life, and laughed together. Sometimes he smiled at me, and my heart beat faster. I tried not to like him, but I couldn't stop my feelings. One day, I saw a photo on his desk. It showed a woman and two small children. That was his wife and kids. I felt very sad. I knew I had strong feelings for a man who already had a family. I felt guilty, but I still liked him. He was always respectful. He never said anything wrong, but his kind heart made it very hard for me to forget him. I told myself to be strong. I said, if love hurts others, it is not true love. So I started to stay away from him. I didn't stay late at work. I avoided extra meetings. Slowly, I made distance between us. It was hard. It hurt me. But I knew it was the right thing to do. Now, 1 year later, I still remember him. Sometimes I think, what if? But I also feel proud. I protected his family. I didn't follow my selfish feelings. Love is not always getting what we want. Sometimes real love means letting go. His hallway. He looked tired. He smiled at me, but I could see something in his eyes. Maybe he missed our friendship too. But we both stayed silent. That night, I went home and cried, not because I wanted him, but because I had to let go of something that felt so beautiful, yet could never be mine. I learned something important. Love is not just about being together. Love is about respect, care, and doing the right thing, even when it's hard. He went on with his life. I moved forward too. Later, I met someone else, a kind man, single, honest. He loved me in a way I never thought possible. Still, sometimes I think of Adrian, not with sadness, but with peace.